All right, so last video I promised because I don't want this to take forever. Let's see if I can get this going. Oh my gosh, come on, computer. Let's see. Let me see if I can find this back here. There it is. All right, let's finish this. We were just talking about dilations and how dilations are not create similar figures, not congruent figures, but the direction did not change. It does maintain orientation. That means that the direction will not change. So no, they are similar for congruence. So for dilation, does it maintain its congruence? No, it creates a similar shape. And then orientation, does it keep the same direction? And in this case, we're going to put a check. Yes, it does. The direction does not change. And now we're on to the last one, which is rotation, and we haven't done it. Rotation is the turning part of it. So when we do rotation, we're looking for rotation. All it does is turn an object. So will it maintain congruence? Yes, it will maintain congruence. All it is going to turn it. For example, if I have a pen and I turn the pen, no matter how I turn it, it's still the same pen. The size does not change. It's still congruent. But does it maintain its orientation, the direction? And that one's like a no. We get that that one is no because you're turning it. It turns. So when you're turning something, of course, the direction's not going to be the same. That one's going to change. Okay, so now you have this little notes, this little foldable thing that you can use. Right now, you should be getting a paper or being given an assignment that you're going to do with transformations. Use this to help you through it. And then, Mr. Costa, would you please have them glue it? If you'll turn this around and on this back section, glue it into your notebook. So I'm going to put here glue. And it doesn't have to be today. It can be tomorrow when you have a chance as well. You can put glue on this side. There's some new glue sticks there. Glue it into your notebook so that you have it. Sixth period, you'll be gluing it into your composition notebooks that I gave you so that you have it there. I know some of you have notebooks all over the place or don't have notebooks, but sixth period, you have the ones I gave you. Second period, please glue them in. I know you will. Fourth period, there's some of you who don't even have notebooks anymore. If you don't have a notebook, put it in your backpack and keep it there so that you can refer to it. You'll be using this today, and you'll also be using this tomorrow on the quizzes that you're going to practice. This is the last time I teach this. After this, everything is on you guys. At this point, the one thing I am going to tell you is that today is Thursday, so I'm going to let you know that you should be getting a homework assignment for spring break. This homework assignment is non-negotiable. That means you need to do it. Actually, I changed my mind. It's optional. But at this point, with about 18 days before we test STAR, we're running out of time. So there's no way that you can go home this spring break, without homework. You need to do some homework. So if you choose to take the spring break packet and you bring it back, if you bring it back completed with work and justified, not just answers circled, then I'm going to work on, actually, I already worked on it. Then you're going to get a free dress day when we come back. If I will grade it on the Monday when we come back, I'll look at it Monday and Tuesday, and I'll let you know so that Wednesday, those people can have a free dress. As of right now, it's going to be Wednesday when we come back, so we have a chance to grade it. Because just because you turn it in doesn't mean you get the free dress. I want to see who are the people who will actually go the extra mile during spring break. So you have the spring break packet. You have the spring break packet, and if it's completed correctly, then you have a free dress day on Wednesday. See, we come out 19, 20, 21, the 21st of March. So yeah, that's what we got. So your spring break packet probably shouldn't have any more than about 15 problems, but if you do it, then you have a free dress day. Mr. Acosta, if you'll be kind enough to go ahead and pass out the spring break packet right now. Anybody who takes it, if they want it, they can take it. If they don't want it, that's fine. I do need to know who takes it, who did take it anyways. So if there's no other questions, because I don't see any hands. Anybody questions? Any questions? I hope you guys paid attention. I hope you guys remembered. Guys, remember that just because I'm not there, the learning does not stop. You are in charge of it. So you need to make sure that you are doing your work, that you are not messing around, because I don't want in a month to come back and have to tell you that unfortunately you didn't pass that STAR. So at this point, it's go time. You got to work. I know it's spring break around the corner, but you have no choice. You have to work. So I hope you have a safe spring break. I hope you take care of yourself and that you do what you got to do. Take a break, rest, relax, be ready to come back. And I will see you in, I will see you in about a week. All right. Bye, guys.